Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Are Great Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to make horchata, which is a refreshing Mexican drink. First, I'm going to take 1 cup of rice and pour it into 2 cups of water. Now I'm going to let the rice soak in the water for about 2 hours. So the rice has been soaking for about 2 hours, and you can tell that the water has turned white, and that's from the starch in the rice. And now I'm going to put this in a blender. Now I'm going to take this jug, and it has 4 cups of water in it, and I'm going to pour the rice and the water into this jug. Now I'm going to take a can of condensed milk, and I'm going to pour it into the jug. Now I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. The cinnamon is going to stay in little clumps, but as long as everything else is mixed, it's good. Let's try it. That's really good, guys. I hope you try it.